Mr. S? You're so hot!
I remember now. I was gonna be a civil engineer.
What you gonna do, tickle me to death? You're coming home right now.
I don't have to listen to you. Stop!
Just stop right there. We've tried doing things your way, and it's only made things worse.
But she's making so many mistakes.
You sound just like my father. He never supported my choices.
My dad didn't support me either. That's why I started stripping. Me too.
Same here. Yeah. Plus my uncle touched me.
I never meant to drive Haley away.
Stan,